Hello everyone, this is Payal Vaja. In this video, I am going to discuss Elixir. What is Elixir? Elixirs are clear, sweetened, flavored hydroalcoholic solutions intended for oral use and are usually flavored to enhance their palatability. That means elixirs are transparent in nature, they are sweetened and flavored in nature, they are hydroalcoholic solution. That means elixirs are mixture of water and alcohol. They are intended for oral use only and are usually flavored to enhance their palatability. Alcoholic content, which is vary from 10% to 12% and up to 40%. In bottom part, that is the image of elixir. Next one is need of elixir. Why elixir is required? Some drugs are insoluble in water, so in this case, we can't use syrups and suspension. That means any drug that are insoluble in water. During this case, we can't use syrup and suspension because in syrup and suspension, water are used as a vehicle agent. So we have to make a dosage form which could dissolve non-polar compounds. That means we have to make that type of dosage form that are easily soluble in non-polar compounds, aid in masking the unpleasant taste of active ingredient. That means elixir are required for masking any type of bitter drug substance. Components of elixir. First one is water to alcohol ratio. In this case, the proportion of alcohol in elixir varies widely because the individual component of elixir have different water and alcohol solubility characteristics. Each elixir, which requires a specific blend of alcohol and water to maintain all of the components in solution. And last one, naturally, a proportion of requirements of alcohol is greater for those elixirs which having a components with poor water solubility than those elixirs which having components with good water solubility. Next one is sweetening agent. In sweetening agent, many elixirs are sweetened with sucrose or with sucrose syrup. Some uses sorbitol, glycerin or any artificial sweetener as a sweetening agent. Elixirs having a high alcoholic content usually use an artificial sweetener such as which type of artificial sweetener such as saccharine, which is required in very small amount rather than sucrose, which is slightly soluble in alcohol and required in greater quantity for equivalent sweetness purpose. Next one is propylene glycol. What is the use of propylene glycol? A colorless viscous liquid that is used as a solvent in the preparation of certain medications, and it also inhibits the growth of fungi, any virus or any microorganism. Preservatives that are used for elixir purpose. Which type of preservative are used? Parabens. Parabens are a class of widely used preservative in any pharmaceutical products. Example is methyl paraben, propyl paraben. Next class of preservative is benzoates. Example is salt of any benzoic acid, sodium benzoate, etc. Elixir, which containing more than 10 to 12% of alcohol, are usually self-preserving and do not require the addition of any antimicrobial agent. Last one is flavorant. Why we add flavorant? Flavorant particularly used for flavoring purpose. Example of flavorant like raspberry syrup, orange syrup, lemon syrup, etc. Next one is preparation of elixir. Elixir are usually prepared by simple solution with agitation or by admixture of two or more liquid ingredients. That means elixir are most widely prepared by simple solution method with shaking or by admixture of two or more liquid excipients. Next one is alcohol soluble and water soluble components are generally dissolved separately in alcohol and in purified water respectively. That means alcohol soluble component are dissolved in alcohol and water soluble component are dissolved in purified water separately. When the aqueous solution is added to the alcoholic solution, why? Because maintain the highest possible alcoholic strength at all the times so that minimal separation of alcohol soluble components occur. That means aqueous solution is added to the alcoholic solution. Why? To maintain the highest possible alcoholic strength at any time so that minimum separation of alcoholic soluble component is occur. Last step of elixir preparation. When the two solutions are completely mixed, the mixture is made to volume with the specified solvent or vehicle. That means when two solutions are completely mixed together, the volume is made up with the help of suitable solvent or any vehicle. In next lecture, we will discuss regarding types of elixir. Thank you.